Welcome back. I'm gonna try to do this quick. Are these gummy? Yeah, they're still gummy. I have a market like now, but it's also a workshop. Ow, that just slapped me in the face. Wait, can I squeeze it like this and take it out? I was trying to get some extra pieces out to display. Okay, so we're not gonna cooperate, no? I think because it's so soft. But I did put it in the curing machine for like an hour, and it's tiny. It's the, ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm here for that. You see that? Yeah. Oh, these are from a workshop, and they never picked it up. But I need my molds now, so. These are gonna be examples for future classes. Ooh, I love this blue. I don't know if y'all know this, but blue is my favorite color. Ooh. And it doesn't feel rough. Oh, I think this might be mine, even though I'm not a skull girl. I love this. The little, you know. Yeah, bet, okay. And this one. Ooh. I'm just trying to make sure nothing will splash me in the eye. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that's a gorgeous gold. Yeah. Okay, we're doing the things and we're doing it well. Doing it and doing it and doing it well. Oh, y'all can't see that. Wait. Ooh. Come. Okay. See, I wish this one spread out more, but we got butterflies on this one. Butterflies on the brain. That's fine. This also glows in the dark. These two butterflies went in there. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. Whatever. But I'm obsessed. And these are a little gummy, but like I said, I just did them today. This one's definitely gummy, but I just wanted to see how. Okay, and this is also glow in the dark, so yeah, on that. And this one, I hope it looks as good as I think. It does. Look how gorgina. This is so cute. Yeah, obsessed. They got a little spider web, a little thing. Yeah, here for that. A little heart nose. Okay, is that everything? That's everything. I don't think this is soft enough. This is hard enough to take out, so I'm gonna leave this. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast and tell your friend to tell a friend to come pour with me. I'm in Atlanta. Classes vary between coasters, trinket dishes, and ashtrays. Follow Pointless Talks and Pointless Creates on all social media platforms. And just like everything else here, we do Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.